Well, hello there. I'm in southern Oregon. To the left there is Reuben Mtn Rd. Behind us is Galice, and we are on Lower Graves Creek Road. Let's check this thing out. BMR TV road reviews are not only about the facts and figures, the route map, my impressions, but you get to see it for yourself. So sit back and enjoy. So Lower Grave Creek runs between Galice Road, which we just left, up to the town of Wolf Creek, in about 15 miles. As you can see, the road surface is a little bit scruffy, and that's fairly consistent throughout, so adjust your speed as necessary depending upon the bike you're using. Today on this Versys, I am really grateful for the suspended drop. I'm not sure if I can get this across, so hopefully the video will help. This road has a ton of amazing curves, just fantastic undulations as it heads up and around the edges of this hillside here next to Grave Creek. It does run past some homes, so kind of be aware of that. Just a phenomenal road. If you're going to be in this area, you have got to come and put this on your list. I would classify this road much more as tight and twisty than any kind of open and flowing. You can get a move on, but the road closes down like you see here. There's no center line, it just gets a little bit narrow, so you don't want to go too bananas. Whoop! Flying crests, poor visibility, narrow road. What more do you want? This is fantastic. I love roads like this. I absolutely love roads like this. I love how narrow this is. I feel like I'm on a driveway. Just look at this road. This is just fantastic. Louise! Ow! This is my back! Ugh! Damn! Ugh! Make sure everything is still attached properly. Sheesh, that was a big hit. I'm gonna go ahead and recommend you avoid that. Well, Lower Graves Creek doesn't care. It's time for a little more corner therapy to keep my back loose. Just look at this road. Come do this road. So, what do I think? Well, this really is an amazing road. Besides that one hit, the road surface is a little rough, but it's not horrendous. I've ridden worse. And as you saw, the further along we get, meaning the further east we get, it got quite a bit better. The curves are amazing. The road, narrow and twisty and undulating, is amazing. And it's just a heck of a lot of fun. So if you're in this area, put this road on your list and come and do it. Technically speaking, Lower Grave actually turns right here and heads off into the hills, but today I'm going to be going straight to continue on to Wolf Creek. Thanks so much for coming along. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the bell icon to make sure that you are notified when new videos get uploaded. If you have any roads that you think I should ride, leave those in the comments below. And if you'd like to support my effort in producing awesome videos, join the BMR TV crew by clicking the support link in the description below. And until next time, get out and ride.